Hello, hungry hippos. We never agreed on that name. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a taste test. Woo! I'm so excited, by the way. And this taste test that we're doing today would happen to be life water. I don't know if you're too excited for this, but I know I am since we have a couple life waters and I haven't really tried all of them. Yeah. And I'm going to give you guys the thoughts on what I think. If you guys are new to life water, I could probably give you some helpful advice, I guess. No. You could probably give them some tips on which ones to buy. No. Helpful advice on which ones to buy. Tips! Advice! Tips! Advice! We're going to pass it over to Dylan and the new pig in the studio. The new pig? Really? Well, nobody knows her name. Oh, come on. There has to be a name. Ah! Anyway, oh. Get him.
Thanks for the lovely intro, girls.
Yeah, well, I'm apparently the new pig. Thanks for that nickname.
And as you... Whoa. Keep the camera still, dude.
I'm just gonna take over. As you know, or might not know if you're new, this is my kitchen.
And I'm going to take you guys downstairs to go see the life water choices. Sorry. Let's go. Ow.
Okay, so we're going downstairs. And that's Coda, the laziest bum ever today. Bye. Okay, well, we're downstairs.
We're in the real dungeon. Oh.
In the refrigerator, we have some choices. Let's take our choices. So, well, I got them all, and bye, Coda. And they're up there already. I just walked down up the stairs twice now. They're all them. And, yeah, I guess, I don't know.
So what she means to say is tune into this video tomorrow. Oh my god, you have to wait till tomorrow. Peace. Ow.
Well, wasn't that lovely? Tune in tomorrow to see my taste test. Bye.